Hi, my name is Michaela Harris with Timberlake Marketing. I want to take just a few minutes today to show you what you could be doing to getting more clients and beating out your competitors. So first things first, when I look up your company, I don't see a Google business profile. These are super important because this is how you get into the Google Maps section, and this is one major way that customers look for people. So it and a website together are really what every business needs, simply because some people will look in the maps to find a business, some people will look on the URLs to find a good website on that first page. You want to be in both places so that you get as many customers as possible. Now, how you do that is just create you a Gmail account, go here to your Google Apps, and create a business profile. Now, when you create this profile, you want to make sure you fill it out in its entirety. You want to make sure that you have a good company description, and you can throw in some good keywords in there as well. Have lots of photos with keywords behind them. Make sure you get your business verified, and then you can go submit your business name and address to other business listing sites, which are also going to give you some citations and help you rank in the map section. So then I want to bring up, I did see this. I did see your website, and it does look good. I mean, I'm very impressed. It looks very nice, very clean and professional. The only thing I notice is that you don't have a lot of content. So content's really important because it's what Google reads to see if you're relevant to someone's search or not. So I typically recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage of relevant content with good keywords. Throw in a good keyword about every 200 words of content. Bold those words, make sure those words are also behind your images, meaning when someone saves an image, it's saving as a keyword. So that's kind of where I would start. So I can show you here on this image, if I click Save As, you've got your name here, but I would recommend instead of putting your company's name, to go in and maybe you could put your company's name, but then also have a keyword on there. Because Google's going to read the words behind images as well. So the more keywords you have, the better your website will rank. Overall, though, the website looks good. It does look very clean and professional. So the reason why I say ranking is important is because you want to have your Google business profile here in these top 3 spots. If it's not in one of these spots, people are going to have to click more businesses, go scroll down a little further. Ranking in those top 3 spots are going to give you the most face time with customers. Secondly, you want your website to rank on this first page. This is important because most people never make it to that second page of Google. So how do you do that? Well, again, when I was talking about keywords and having lots of content on your website, that's part of it. So if I was to look up your website on this tool called Ahrefs, I just took your URL. We don't have a lot of backlinks. We don't have a lot of referring domains. We do have some keywords, but we're not getting much traffic. Most people aren't clicking on that website. So if you take, say, where I searched this keyword, remodeling contractor, Gainesville, Florida, I can take your top competitor, put them in the same tool, and see what are they doing better. And then I can take whatever they're doing and do it a little bit better for you, or you could, and then that's going to help you rank your website on that first page, and you're going to end up getting all this organic traffic that he's getting. So how do you do that? Like I said, you have to have the right keywords. So you can click here, go look at their keywords. You can see that Remodel Gainesville gets 90 searches a month. Remodeling gets 150. You can go down through here and look at this whole list of keywords. My recommendation is to pick the ones with the highest search volume and the lowest KD. That's going to be the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank, and the higher the volume, the more searches it gets. So go in there, find some really good keywords, and then, like I said, do about 1 keyword every 200 words of content. Put them in there exactly as how they're listed here, and when Google reads your page, it's going to see those words. Like I said, also put them behind your images. That'll help. The other thing that I would recommend is going and looking at your competitors' backlinks and referring domains. Go get the ones that are powerful and relevant to you. Submit your business to those so that you have links that come back to your website. That's also going to help you rank. That's very important. So All in all, like I said, your website looks really great. I would recommend going and getting that Google Business Profile on there. Make sure that any customers that are working with you are giving you reviews on that Google profile. And you can even link that to your website so that people can see your reviews. I would recommend going in and making sure you're getting more content on your website, making sure that your Google Business Profile is filled out to its entirety. That's what I would start with. If you have any questions on anything else you could be doing, I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. These are all services that my company offers, but these are also all things that you could do. They're not exactly easy. They do take time, but it is very possible. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I really hope that this was some valuable information for you. I really hope that it brings value to your company. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch.